Hey, this is James Pelton, and one of my most popular series that I do is this $250 wallet competition. So again, one of the most frequent questions I get is, if I only have $250, which project should I get into in DeFi? So what I did, starting back in July, I picked 7 different DeFi projects and put $250 into each of them, and it's kind of just been a race, who's the king of DeFi. And then over the months, I've gotten into a total of 13 projects, and again, just want to kind of show you how this journey is going, which projects are winning, which are losing. I'll give you a hint, there's more losers than winners right now in DeFi and in the crypto market. If you like this series, this might go without saying, but I'm going to say it anyways. Please hit the like button. That's what that means. You like it, you hit the like button. I look at the number of likes to determine, hey, should I keep this going? And we're going to shoot for 500 likes. Okay, that's going to be the number. If I get 500, I'll keep it going. If I don't get 500, we'll move on to a new series. Comment down below if you have a new series that you'd like me to try out. So let's go ahead and start here with Drip, since it's up at the top. So Drip, I put in $250 in July. And in October, it was worth $440. So I was up 76% on October 31st. Unfortunately, November, the beginning of December has been very bad for Drip. So it's now worth $125. This is with just hydrating. And so that's a 1-month return of negative 72%. So again, you will never be able to keep up. The 1% a day hydrating is never going to keep up with the pace at which Drip is falling. Unfortunately. So it's a total return in the last 6 months of negative 44%, which averages negative 8.9% total. EMP is my next one, and it too in October was looking pretty decent. We were up 63%, or we were up a total of 52%, but now down to 217, which means down 42% for the month and down a total of 11% since I got in. So it's averaging negative 2% a month, and that's in the detonator on EMP, which I recognize is not necessarily the best place to put it in EMP, but it's just what I did at the time, okay? Hindsight's 2020. I can't go back and fix it. Grape was at 200 on October 31st. Now it's at 132. This was a Grape MIM liquidity pool node that I had this in. And so 1 month, negative 34%, total return, negative 45%, or average of negative 9% a month. So we don't have a lot of winners so far. Drip, EMP, Grape, all down pretty big. The big winner, which is why I put it in green, has actually been MDB. So MDB in October was worth $400, which was up 58% from when I got in. Now it did have a rough month. It was down 26% for the month, but still up 17% overall. So it's averaging 4.36% per month. Optimus is one that I just got in last month. And so for the first month, I went from $250 down to $64. So that's a negative 74% return. So again, not high hopes for Optimus. Novatech is another one that actually did okay. I just got into this last month, put $250 in. Now, there are some regulatory issues with Novatech. There's a cease and desist from the state of California. So again, I watch all the videos. Some say it's for sure a scam. Some say it's for sure legitimate. Anytime someone says something for sure, I for sure know they don't know what they're talking about. But it's 17% for the month, and I've only been doing it for 1 month. So losers, the ones I had to move over to the losers bracket, is Horde. Just because, they kind of closed down what they were doing. I put in $250, and actually it was up to $631. It was doing really well, but then Horde kind of shut things down, and I don't know what's going to happen to it after that. And again, if you have others you want to see added, please comment down below. Again, I know Frosted Flakes has been a popular one, but I kind of look through the comments and a lot of people are saying the same thing. I'll try $250 into that. But I want to try just buying Bitcoin. Again, this will be fun if we're doing this series in 2 or 3 years or whatever. It'll be kind of fun to see what just $250 worth of Bitcoin did compared to DeFi and things like that. And the other one that I'm sneaking into is the MDB Plus Auto Compounder. So this is a yield farm. It's part of the MDB ecosystem. It's currently getting 1,683% APY. That will go down if the TVL gets higher. And this is not a number going forward. This isn't a promised return. This is just the return that it's been getting based on the fees of people swapping in and out of MDB and MDB Plus. So again, I like yield farming because there's an actual revenue stream. A lot of these kind of hard to figure out what is the revenue stream other than new people coming in. So I like that about this one. Again, if you like this series, hit like, hit the subscribe button. I think it's down in that corner, but hit subscribe if you aren't already. And let me know what other projects you'd like to see be part of this race. I'm going to declare the winner for this episode to be MDB. Celebrate MDB, celebrate Danny, and just the great work that they've done over there. The community there is awesome. Very welcoming community. If you come in and ask questions, they're very welcoming. So, but yeah, I kind of enjoy this. It's been fun just keeping track. I mean, it's not been fun, obviously, to see the numbers. Total, I put in $3,250 into this, and it's now worth $1,625. So down 54% just in the last month. I was actually doing pretty well up until November hit. Then everything fell apart. But yeah, down a total of exactly 50%. Okay, I don't know how that worked out, but that is the real numbers. Hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate all you guys. Hopefully, I don't know if you can hear my voice. Still getting over a little bit of sickness. The plague has infected our house. But yeah, I appreciate you guys and hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks.